If you've inherited the property, make sure the mutation is sanctioned in your name with the authorities. If it's a municipal corporation, if it's in a state office, or it's the revenue department, the mutation must be sanctioned in your name. Do not execute any power of attorneys. No general power of attorneys to be given to any person. Make sure even if you've issued a document such as a power of attorney for a specific purpose and the purpose is over, you have revoked the power of attorney. If you have given a power of attorney to somebody to act on your behalf and the act is still continuing, make sure you have a copy of the power of attorney so when the job is completed, you can revoke the power of attorney. Never hand over your original documents to anybody. Make sure you have copies with you and you have the original documents always in your possession. If you've inherited the property on the basis of the will, make sure you have the original will in your possession. So let me conclude this checklist quickly for all of you. 1. Title deeds. Title deeds are the registered deed on the basis of which you are the owner, which could be a gift deed, sale deed, transfer deed, whatever it is. You must have the original with you. Second, the revenue record. The revenue record, which is the Jamabandi, Fard, Satbara, must show your name. Try procuring a copy every year to ensure that your name is still reflected as the owner, either on the basis of an inheritance or on the basis of the deeds. Third, utility bills. The utility bills establish your possession to the property. They must be in your name unless you've entered into a registered lease deed with a tenant. If you have a caretaker for the property, make sure you have a caretaker agreement with him. If inherited and your parents are deceased, there is a property here. It is imperative that you have a mutation sanctioned in your name after the death of your parents. Do not leave the properties assuming that they automatically will come to your name. Unless you complete the paperwork, unless you go to the authorities, inform them about the death of your parents, the property will never be in your name. So to avoid third-party claims, make sure the mutation is sanctioned. If you've inherited the property on the basis of a will, you must have the original will with you. All the original documents should be in your possession. Never issue a power of attorney which has generic powers. Make sure you have a copy of that power of attorney if the act is still continuing, and if the job has been completed, make sure you've revoked the power of attorney and you have the original power of attorney issued at that time in your possession. Hope this video has been helpful in understanding the checklist for your properties in India.